In our last video, we have done a new method, a new technique of integration, a new method of substitution, a new technique of substitution. There you have to decide what you will substitute. Okay, so the integral in that kind of sum, the integral will be in the form of a e to the power x, that is exponential. So there will be two exponential functions in denominator and numerator. So that will be in the form of a e to the power x plus b divided by c e to the power x plus d. So how you will do that? Today we will do sums based on those concepts. And first of all हम क्या करते थे, a plus b के form में will write. Okay, let's see. We'll do sums and it will be more clear. So let's start. So we have a question. Let's find out. This is the function given in this question. This is in the form of a e to the power x plus b divided by c e to the power x plus d. उसी फॉर्म में है. So in this type of question के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Numerator should be equal to, numerator is 3 e to the power 2t plus 5. So numerator should be equal to a into denominator 4e 2t minus 5 plus b into the derivative of the denominator. So the derivative of d by dt, this is t का function, so d by dt, and the function 4e to the power 2t minus 5. ठीक है. Now 3e to the power 2t plus 5 should be equal to, now 4a e to the power 2t minus 5a plus, अच्छा, when we will differentiate this one, what value will get? 4 into 2e to the power 2t मिलेगा, because इसको differentiate करके will get 0 because this is a constant, and differentiating a constant will get 0. So this, what value we are getting? b into 4 into 2, 8 e to the power 2t. So how we can write? We can directly write 8b. So we can write like this, 8b e to the power 2t. Now in this one, e to the power 2t is there. This one, e to the power 2t is there. It means e to the power 3e to the power 2t है, तो 3 के इक्वल होगा 4a plus 8b. Why? Because 3e to the power 2t should be equal to 4a e to the power 2t plus 8b e to the power 2t. So we'll remove e to the power 2t. What value we are getting? 3 is equal to 4a plus 8b. ठीक है. Now and 5 should be equal to minus 5a, minus 5a. So 5 cancel. It means a should be equal to minus 1. Now by putting the value of a in this equation, what value will get? 3 is equal to 4 into a. So 4 into minus 1. So minus 4 plus 8b. ठीक है. So 7. So 7 should be equal to 8b. It means b का value क्या होगा? b का value will be 7 upon 8. Okay, this value we got. So a का value is a is equal to, so here what value we got? A is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 7 upon 8. And now how we have to put the value? The numerator should be equal to, that is 3e to the power 2t plus 5 should be equal to a into the denominator, that is 4e to the power 2t minus 5, okay, and plus b into when we will differentiate the derivative of this function. So derivative of this function will be 8e to the power 2t. Okay. Now what we have to do? Here we have written this value. What value we got? ये formula apply करके हमने put किया, तो what value we got? A का value is minus 1, B का value 7 upon 8. Now we'll put the value of A and B in this equation. What value we'll get? 3e to the power 2t plus 5 equal to, A is minus 1. So minus 4e to the power 2t minus 5, और b का वैल्यू है 7 अपॉन 8, तो 7 अपॉन 8 इंटू 8e to the power 2t. ठीक है. So now what value, I का वैल्यू क्या होगा? By putting this value, what value will get? I का value will be this 3 numerator को we can write like this. So how we'll write minus 4 e to the power 2t minus 5 plus 7 upon 8 e to the power 2t divided by 4 e to the power 2t minus 5 dt. Now what we'll do, हम क्या कर सकते हैं, I is equal to माइनस हम कॉमन लेते हैं, माइनस कॉमन लिया, सो व्हाट वैल्यू आर गेटिंग 1 बिकॉज 4 e to the power 2t minus 5 divided by 4 e to the power 2t minus 5 1 होगा. ओके, सो 1 into dt. ओके, या फिर डायरेक्टली ओनली dt वी कैन राइट. ओके, प्लस 7 upon 8 दैट इज कांस्टेंट, हम बाहर लेते हैं, एंड अगेन 8 e to the power 2t divided by this one 4 e to the power 2t minus 5 dt. ठीक है. Now one more thing, 4 e to the power 2t minus 5 that is denominator should be equal to, अगर हमने कुछ लिया x लेते हैं, ओके, it means 4 into 2 8 e to the power 2t dt should be equal to dx. ओके, तो ये वैल्यू होगा. Okay, now it means I should be equal to minus t because when we'll integrate 1 with respect to t we'll get t. Okay, plus 7 upon 8 into, see, 8 e to the power 2t into dt is equal to dx. So we can write dx 1 upon, and this one we have taken as x. Okay, so this will be equal to, minus t plus 7 upon 8 into 1 upon x को हम integrate करेंगे, so what value will get, log of x, and plus c we have to write whenever we are integrating anything. Okay, so I का value क्या होगा, minus t plus 7 upon 8 log of x, and now we'll put the value of x. क्या है x का value, 4 e to the power 2t minus 5 and plus c. So this will be the integral of the function given with respect to t. Okay, so we have another question. This function is given, one exponential function in numerator and another in denominator. ठीक है, so how we have to convert this? First of all, we'll take numerator 20 minus 12 e to the power x should be equal to, क्या लेंगे हम, a into denominator 3 e to the power x minus 4. ठीक है, and plus b derivative of this function d of dx d upon dx of 20 minus 12 e to the power x. ठीक है, ये लेंगे. Now one more thing, when we'll take this 3 e to the power x minus 4 equal to t. Okay, so when we'll differentiate this one, what value we'll get, 3 e to the power x, because 4 क्या होगा, 4 तो constant है, we'll get that will be derivative of 4 will be 0, so dx will be equal to dt. ठीक है, ये वैल्यू होगा. We have to find out the value of a and b का वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो 20 minus 12 e to the power x is equal to a into, तो 3a e to the power x minus 4a plus 3 e to the power x होगा. When we'll differentiate this, the derivative of this function will be 3 e to the power x. Okay, so 3b e to the power x. Now this function, this e to the power x है, so minus 12 e to the power x should be equal to 3a plus 3b, and 20 should be equal to minus 4a. ना डिफरेंट हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे, सो -4 e to the power x we are not taking ना, कैंसिल किया, सो -4 equal to a plus b, okay, and 25, so a should be equal to -5, so a का वैल्यू is -5, so -4 is equal to -5 plus b, so b should be equal to 5 minus 4, that is 1, so b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 5, so a का वैल्यू is equal to -5 and b का वैल्यू is 1, ठीक है। So what value will get 20 minus 12 e to the power x, मतलब जो न्यूमरेटर है that should be equal to -5 e to the power x minus 4 plus 1 into this derivative of this function, तो 1 मतलब we can write 3 to the power e to the power x, okay, so ऐसा हम लिख सकते हैं, we can write like this instead of this one. So I का वैल्यू क्या होगा हमारा, I का वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू दिस फंक्शन को विल राइट लाइक दिस -5 into 3 e to the power x minus 4 plus 3 e to the power x, okay, divided by 3 e to the power x minus 4 dx. Now we can write like this, क्या लिख सकते हैं, -5 हम आगे ले लेंगे, -5 आगे लिया, and now this function divided by this function will be equal to 1, तो dx, and now plus 3 e to the power x dx is equal to dt, 3 e to the power x dx is equal to dt, and this is equal to t, so 1 upon t dt, okay. So different, when we'll find out that what value we'll get, -5 and x, when we'll integrate 1 with respect to x, we'll get x, okay, and plus log of t plus c, okay. Now we'll put the value of t, so I should be equal to -5x plus log of t का value is 3 e to the power x minus 4 plus c, ठीक है, सो ये होगा हमारा वैल्यू, अगेन a e to the power x plus b divided by c e to the power x plus d के फॉर्म में है, सो हाउ विल डू दिस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल न्यूमरेटर शुड बी इक्वल टू 3 e to the power x plus 4, न्यूमरेटर है, should be equal to a into denominator 2 e to the power x minus 8 plus b into the derivative of the denominator 2 e to the power x minus 8, ठीक है। Now what we'll do, हम लेंगे जो डिनोमिनेटर है द वैल्यू 2 e to the power x minus 8 को हम t लेते हैं, so what value when we'll differentiate, what will the derivative, so 2 e to the power x and 8 constant है तो 0 होगा, so dx should be equal to dt, so ये वैल्यू हमें मिलेगा, right. Now we have to find out the value of a and b, so for that we have to solve this. See, derivative of this function will be equal to 2 e to the power x, so we'll write here, okay, e plus 4 equal to 2a e to the power x minus 8a plus b into 2 e to the power x, so 2b e to the power x. Now e to the power x ये फंक्शन में and ये फंक्शन में, okay, so 3 e to the power x plus 4 is equal to 2a plus 2b e to the power x minus 8a, ठीक है, so e to the 3 के साथ e to the power x है, so what value, 3 should be equal to 2a plus 2b, okay, and 4 should be equal to minus 8a 2, so a should be equal to minus 1 upon 2, okay. Now we'll put the value of a in this equation, so what value we'll get, 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, 2 cancel plus 2b, So 3 should be equal to minus 1 plus 2b. So 2b should be equal to 4 and so b should be equal to 2. Okay. So a का वैल्यू हमें क्या मिला -1/2 एंड b का वैल्यू हमें मिला 2. ठीक है. Okay. So based on this value we have to put in this equation and उसके बाद we'll get the value. How we have to break this numerator. Basically हमें numerator को denominator के term में break करना है. Equation will put the value of a is equal to -1/2 and b is equal to 2. So 3e to the power x plus 4 should be equal to a का value -1/2 into 2e to the power x minus 8 plus b का value is 2. 2 into when we'll differentiate this one, we'll get 2e to the power x. ठीक है. So this way we have to break the numerator. I should be equal to what value we'll write instead of this one. So we'll write the value will be -1/2. So -1/2 into 2e to the power x minus 8. ठीक है. Divided by 2e to the power x minus 8 plus 2 into 2e to the power x divided by 2e to the power x minus 8. Okay. And dx. So how we'll do this? I का value will be equal to minus ये दोनों हम कट कर सकते हैं, right? So what value will get -1/2 dx plus 2 and when we integrate this e to the power 2e to the power x dx is equal to dt. So 1/t dt. This is equal to t. Okay. So what value will get -1/2 x. Why x? Because when we are integrating 1 with respect to x, we'll get x. Okay. So plus 2 into 1/t का integration क्या होगा log of t and plus c we have to write always whenever we are integrating something. So I का value will be equal to -1/2 x plus 2 log of t. t का value is 2e to the power x minus 8. ठीक है. And plus c. So this will be our value. 2e to the power x plus 5 divided by 2e to the power x plus 1. Okay. So a to the power x plus b divided by c to the power x plus d के फॉर्म में हम ये है. So how we'll do this? We will first of all we'll take numerator 2e to the power x plus 5 and that is equal to something. क्या लिया हमने? So that should be equal to a denominator 2e to the power x plus 1 plus p the derivative of denominator. So derivative of 2e to the power x plus 1 क्या होगा? So here 2e to the power x plus 1 को हम t ले लेते हैं. Okay. So when we differentiate this derivative क्या होगा? 2e to the power x ही होगा. Okay. So dx should be equal to dt. Okay. Now. Okay. So 2e to the power x plus 5 is equal to should be equal to 2a e to the power x plus a plus इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2e to the power x. So 2b e to the power x. This and this, okay, equal. So 2 e to the power x plus 5 should be equal to 2a plus 2b e to the power x plus a. Now it means a का वैल्यू is 5 clearly दिख रहा है. Now 2 should be equal to 2a plus 2b and 5 should be equal to a. मतलब a का value is 5 and this 2 okay 2 हम रिमूव कर डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b. सो a का वैल्यू इज 5, सो b शुड बी इक्वल टू 1 minus 5, so minus 4. So b का वैल्यू इज -4. तो a का वैल्यू इज 5 and b का वैल्यू इज -4. Okay, so based on this value now a and b का वैल्यू हम पुट करेंगे इस इक्वेशन में, then we'll get the value for numerator को हम कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll put the value of a and b in this equation. So 2e to the power x plus 5 should be equal to a is 5, 2e to the power x plus 1, that is the denominator, plus b into derivative of this one, that is 2e to the power x. b का value is -4, so we'll write here -4. ठीक है. So this way we have to break the numerator. So the value of I will be equal to 5 2e plus e to the power x plus 1 divided by the denominator 2e to the power x plus 1 minus 4 2e to the power x divided by 2e to the power x plus 1 dx. ठीक है. So ये हम रिमूव करेंगे. So what value 5 and integrate dx. We have to integrate 1 with respect to x. Okay, minus 4 will take common, and this is what 2e to the power x dx is dt. So 1 upon this is t, so t dt. So what value we'll get 5, and when we'll integrate 1 with respect to x, we'll get x. So 5x minus 4 1 upon t को इंटीग्रेट करके what will get log of t, and plus c always we have to write whenever we are integrating anything. Okay, so the next, so I का वैल्यू क्या होगा 5x minus 4 log of t. t का वैल्यू is 2e to the power x plus 1. Okay, and plus c we have to write.
Hope you understood the concept.
I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.